Hi, I'm Justin with Ridgeline Roofing. At this point, you are concerned about your roof. You have found a leak, a storm has just blown through, and you are looking to find a solution to your roofing issues. Here at Ridgeline Roofing, we would love an opportunity to come out and give you an inspection. Our qualified reps that will be coming to your home will do a very thorough inspection of the top of your roof, the sides of your roof, every portion of your roof. They will take pictures and document any damage, any areas of concern. So once the inspection is complete, the rep is going to get off the roof and review all the pictures with you. They will then lead you in the direction that is best for you, whether that is a small repair or it's something that we need to look at your insurance company being involved with. In the event that it is something with your insurance company, we have another video detailing the full insurance process that can be found in the description below or a link on our website as well. If it is just time for a new roof and we're quoting your new roof for you, keep in mind that we are going to use the highest quality materials, only first run materials, and we're going to do a full system install. What that means is that you're going to get the full available manufacturer's warranty on any of the products that we install. So there will be no shortened prorated period. You will get the full manufacturer warranty from the start. Your rep will review with you all of your different options for your roof system. If you'd like to go into more detail with those, we have videos for those processes.